Ang trabaho ng mayor, universal yan eh. It doesn't have to be male or female eh. Kahit nasaan na syudad, isa lang yung trabaho namin. So it's doubly difficult for me kasi nandyan din yung age factor sa akin. Because they feel as if they know better since they're older.
Violence erupted during a demolition operation. City Mayor Sara Duterte repeatedly punched the sheriff of the Davao Regional Trial Court, Abe Andres, during the demolition. Duterte had asked for a 2-hour extension of the deadline to demolish shanties, but demolition teams pushed through with their operation.
And yun na nga yung nabutan ko, yung mga nagra-riot doon. And ang first ko naman pinagalitan is yung mga tao. Sabi ko, ano ba nangyari? Nag-usap tayo. Next was yung police. Sabi niya, ma'am, hindi kasi nakikinig yung sheriff. Sabi niya, gusto kasi ng sheriff pasukin na. Ayun na yun.
Yan na may order ang sheriff na i-continue.
Sa sheriff?
Ipag sa proteksyon na lang namong.
Dali, sir. At that time, I was so frustrated. Hindi naman ako pwede umiyak. Kasi they would think, ano ba namang klaseng ito, she's very emotional and then umiyak siya sa harap ng mga tao. Hindi ko na malabas yung galit ko. Actually, hindi nga ako nagmumura in public. Although privately, ina-admit ko na meron talaga ako mga ganyan. Pero in public, hindi. Kasi may mga bata. Pero that time, lumabas talaga lahat ng mura na alam ko eh. So, yun. Ano yun na dala ng init ng ulo. Usually mga bata, 'di ba, sinasabi nila sa akin, in Bisaya, sinasabi nila sa akin, "Oh, ikaw man tong nanumbag, ikaw yung nanuntok." Even my daughter, nakita niya yun sa TV, "Mama, nakita ka nanumbag." And I always say it's wrong. So I'm not very proud of it na ganun yung nangyari kasi it's really the wrong kind of thing.